Hey everybody, this is Jeff G. Holt, the V-Twin Visionary, and I'm here with the Bell Broozer helmet. As you can see, this helmet really doesn't look like anything else in the marketplace. It looks more like a fighter pilot helmet. The shield goes up and down, it's got a little D10 here, and of course the front comes off, making it a 3/4 helmet that has a little drop-down shield. I'm not gonna lie to you, I know this thing is not for everybody, but I mean, there's gonna be some people out there that love this thing. I'm more of a traditional helmet guy. I prefer a full face helmet with the ultimate protection. But like I said, man, there's just with the looks and styling of this thing, people are gonna dig it. There's gonna be somebody out there who's gonna love it. It's not gonna be me, but you know, I'm an old school biker guy. What can I say?